Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by locking in Essentials, the exact game version and platform because mismatches waste time. Next, make sure your router allows discovery, enable UPnP or set port forwarding to avoid connection blocks. While that runs, assemble targeted search terms, full moon plus region and mod pack names, and note desired player limits. Once done, use those terms in server lists and multiplayer filters, so you're searching precise pools rather than sifting through irrelevant results. You now move into focused discovery. Open official server lists and community directories, then apply tight filters like region and ping under 100 milliseconds to eliminate laggy results. Make sure to filter for the mod pack or game mode labeled full moon if present. Use third-party server scanners to probe alive hosts quickly and post a short query in relevant Discord channels or subreddits. Community replies often surface active, private, or soon-to-open servers you won't find in public lists. You finish by attempting a direct IP connection. If it succeeds, verify latency and stability immediately. If you hit errors, read the message. Version mismatch, firewall, or whitelist issues are common. Make sure your client version matches the server and temporarily disable or configure your firewall and ports. If the server is private, contact the host for whitelist or password access. One troubleshooting tip: when stuck, reproduce the exact error and share it in support channels for faster help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.